In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sequence in Manychat for your Facebook page. If you've been looking to automate your messages in a structured and efficient way, this guide is for you. Let's dive right into it and explore how you can set up a sequence smoothly. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and navigate to the Manychat website. This is your central hub for managing your automated messaging sequences. Now, once the page loads, you'll see the login button prominently displayed. Go ahead and log into your Manychat account. If this is your first time, make sure to have your Facebook credentials handy to make the process seamless. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the dashboard, which could initially seem a bit overwhelming with options. But don't worry, it's simpler than it looks. Focus your attention on the left-hand menu. Here, you'll find an option labeled Automation. Click on that, and a submenu will appear with various features. What you're really looking for is the Sequences option, so go ahead and select that. After clicking on Sequences, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. In the top right corner of your screen, you'll notice a button that says Plus New Sequence. This is the magic button, the one you'll click to start creating your new sequence. Once you click it, a prompt will pop up asking for a name for your sequence. It's a good practice to choose a name that clearly reflects the purpose of the sequence, like mini course or welcome sequence. After typing in your desired name, simply click Create. You'll notice that Manychat automatically creates a first message for your sequence. This is a great starting point, and from here, you can begin building the content that your audience will receive. To add more messages, look for the plus message button. This button allows you to build upon your sequence by adding additional messages. You have the option to either craft new content or pull from existing messages you may have in your library. As you're going through this process, consider the timing of these messages, known as delays in Manychat. These can be set between messages to space them out logically, providing a natural flow to your communication strategy. Once you've carefully designed your sequence with all the desired messages and settings, it's crucial to remember one last step. Publish your automation. Without publishing, your sequence won't become active and your audience won't receive the messages. So, make sure to hit that publish button and you're done. By following these steps, you've successfully created a sequence on Manychat, ready to be deployed and engage with your audience. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!